नमस्कार, वेलकम टू OPSC OAS A to Z। सो 2016 OPSC OAS प्रिलिमिनारी क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 80 जाए आम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर सारी जो मैंने देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि कवर कर क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 द प्लाज्मा टेक्नोलॉजी इज यूज्ड फॉर द डिस्पोजल ऑफ वेस्ट व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज और आर करेक्ट विथ रिगार्ड टू दिस टेक्नोलॉजी। ऑप्शन आई, इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर द डिस्पोजल ऑफ hazardous and radioactive waste। yes, this is right। double I, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are the polluting gases produced in this process। no, this is wrong। triple I, this technology has not been tried anywhere in India। this is right। so option C is your correct answer। question number 82 ISO 14040 series deals with life cycle assessment, environmental levels and declarations, environmental management system, environmental performance evaluation। the correct answer is life cycle assessment। question number 83 basal metabolic rate of the body is regulated by thyroid hormone, insulin, pineal hormone and corticosteroid। the correct answer is thyroid hormone। there are two types of thyroid hormone and that is T3 and T4। both are produced by the thyroid gland। basal metabolic rate कहले हमें बुझू this is the minimum rate of the energy expenditure for unit time by the endothermic animal at rest। जेतले endothermic animal आपनकर रेस्ट रे रहउची सेही टाइम रे minimum amount of energy केते expenditure होउची with time ताको हमें कहबो basal metabolic rate। insulin is mainly responsible for your diabetes। insulin activates the absorption of the glucose from the body by the cells of muscle, liver and the fat tissue। it also facilitates storing of glucose as glycogen in the liver and muscle। so mainly insulin is responsible for blood sugar level regulation in the body। पिनियल हार्मोन जोटा आपन पिनियल ग्लैंड सिक्रेट्स हुए मेनली कह मेलाटोनिन हार्मोन। इट रेगुलेट्स circadian rhythm in the body। melatonin is produced according to the amount of light a person is exposed to। when it is dark, pineal gland secretes greater amount of melatonin which points to the melatonin's role in the sleep। corticosteroid is a class of drugs that lowers inflammation in the body। question number 84 को जीवा, what is the function of the hydrochloric acid in stomach? it kills bacteria which enters to the stomach with food। option B, it absorbs harmful toxin। option C, it converts the food into the semi-solid liquid form। option D, it helps in purifying the blood। the correct answer is it kills the bacteria which enters to the stomach with food। द पेराइटल सेल आपनकर जोटा स्टोमक रे अछि सेटू सिक्रेट हुए आपनकर हाइड्रोक्लोरिक बा HCl इनटू द स्टोमक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 को जो मायोपिया इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फार साइटेडनेस, पुअर साइटेडनेस, एक्सट्रीम साइटेडनेस, नियर साइटेडनेस। द करेक्ट आंसर इज नियर साइटेडनेस। मीन्स डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट आपनकर क्लियर देखा नहीं आपनकर नियर पाखरे थिबा ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियर देखा जिवो। सो इट कैन बी क्योर्ड थ्रू योर कनकेव लेंस। आ गोटे रहा हाइपर मेट्रोपिया आपणकर जोटा कि आम कहे फार साइटेडनेस आपणकर जो डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट भल देखा एंड पाख ऑब्जेक्ट जोटा रहा क्लीयरली देखा जीवनी। इट कैन बी क्योर्ड थ्रू योर कन्वेक्स लेंस। प्रेस बायोपिया इट इज मेनली seen in the aged person। it is similar to the hypermetropia। it can be cured through convex lens। question number 86 acid rain is caused by increase in the atmospheric concentration of ozone and dust, SO and NO, C, SO and CO, D, CO and CO। the correct answer is SO and NO। that sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide is responsible for acid rain। when it reacts with water vapor, it forms H2SO4, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, that is HNO3 respectively। the question number 87 को जीवा, migration of the cancerous cell from the site of origin to the other part of the body forming secondary tumors is called diapedesis, metastasis, proliferation, none of the above। the correct answer is option B, metastasis। the diapedesis कहले हमें कौन बुझू, it is an important part of reaction of tissue to injury। is the passage of the diapedesis is the passage of the blood cell through capillary walls into the tissue। proliferation कहले आम बुझू इट refers to an increase in the number of cells as a result of cell growth and cell division. So 87 question correct answer आपनकर होची metastasis. Question number 88 choose the best fire extinguisher oxygen water carbon dioxide and blanket. The correct answer is option C carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is always a good extinguisher. Oxygen help in combustion, so oxygen is not the correct answer. Question water जेहेतु oxygen अच्छी water भी गोटे perfect extinguisher नुहे. Question number 89 rockets are designed to carry payloads, scientific instruments, satellites and all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. तो आ गोटे जिनस मन रखु यूपीएससी पचारे रॉकेट गेट मोमेंटम थ्रू थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन जो रॉकेट स्टार्ट हुए तार मोमेंटम कोटू पाए रॉकेट को लॉ यूज करा जाए सेठी अपन थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन दैट इज एवरी एक्शन हैज इक्वल एंड अपोजिट रिएक्शन. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 को जीवा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज्ड फॉर कम्युनिकेशन वेदर फोरकास्टिंग एंड रिमोट सेंसिंग. ऑप्शंस आर नेचुरल सैटेलाइट, आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट, स्पेस शटल्स एंड द सुपर कंप्यूटर्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स. There are two type of satellites, one is natural and artificial. Natural satellites example है आपनकर मून जमती एटा चारिपटे घुरुची. आपनकर artificial satellites are man made. Question number 91 को जीवा इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर इज अ डिवाइस which converts dash energy into the dash energy. यार करेक्ट आंसर होची मेकानिकल एनर्जी टू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. सो ऑप्शन 1 इज द correct answer. Mechanical energy in the form of wind, water, etc. The next by question number 92 को nails, scales and bones are biodegradable, non-biodegradable, bioaccumulative and none of the above. The correct answer is biodegradable. Option A is the correct answer. तो bioaccumulation कहले कौन बुझू इट इज द gradual accumulation of the substances such as pesticide and other chemical in the organism. It occurs when an organism absorbs a substance at a rate faster than that at which the substance is lost or eliminated from the catabolism and excretion. The next chiba question number 93 को the testis male gonad is located inside the scrotum in order to keep the testicular temperature higher than the body temperature, normal as body temperature, lower than the body temperature depending on the environmental changes. The correct answer is option C lower than the body temperature. Scrotum तार temperature always body temperature to कम थाए because आपनकर sperms are preserved in the scrotum. So question number 94 destruction of trees and forest is called deforestation. Deforestation is cause of decrease in the rainfall, yes. Increase in the soil erosion, yes. C greenhouse effect, yes. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 95 को जीवा soap and detergents help remove dirt from the clothes. It does so because of having two parts, hydrophilic and hydrophobic. The correct answer is option C hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Soft and next jiba question number 96 को fermentation is a process in which organic compound is slowly decomposed into simple substances in presence of O2. Organic compound is slowly decomposed into the simple substances in the absence of O2. Simple substances is polymerized into complex substances. D all of the above. The correct answer is option B. Organic compound is slowly decomposed into the simple substances in the absence of O2. Fermentation is always anaerobic process. So option B is your correct answer. Question number 97 को जीवा आगु गोटे जिन मन रखते देर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ फर्मेंटेशन दैट इज योर लैक्टिक एसिड फर्मेंटेशन, अल्कोहल फर्मेंटेशन एंड एसिटिक एसिड फर्मेंटेशन. तो नेक्स्ट जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 97 को वी ऑब्जर्व ऑब्जेक्ट्स अराउंड अस ड्यू टू द रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ लाइट and all of the above. The correct answer is reflection of light. Reflection of light means bouncing back of the light on the same medium striking the surface of any object. That is your reflection. Through reflection we can see every object of under the earth, and absorption of light example है आपनकर photosynthesis through refraction light changes its medium and speed as well. तो next है question number 98 को 1 second please. Question number 98. Losing eyesight after consuming spurious liquid is due to its adulteration by methanol. The correct answer is option A, methanol. Question number 99. Fuse wire is appropriate thickness improve its efficiency to prevent damage. These wire are made up of pure zinc, pure lead, alloy of lead and tin. The correct answer is alloy of lead and tin. Tin lead lead that is Pb and tin that is Sn. Fuse has high resistance and low melting point. That's why it used in the circuit for avoid short circuiting. Question number 100. Instrument used to observe changes in solar system is Hubble telescope, electron telescope, C microscope, D both B and C. The correct answer is Hubble telescope. It was launched by NASA. And microscope is always used for the small object for an enlarged view or enlarged image. Mostly it is used in the biological lab or botanical or zoological lab. So this is the discussion for today. So next 2017 question आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो स्टार्ट करवा.